No! Royalty soda makes Queen Nancy. Now this is amazing. One royalty strawberry soda coming right up. And as for Blondie… Boom! Poor drink. No, don't drink it. No! We're a maid? Can we at least work for the queen? Okay, fine. Mirror, out. Magic switch, dang. Nancy tries the mirror, but she only makes Blondie queen. Well, that turned out well. Enjoy, Your Highness.